Hello everyone, thank you to be here. My presentation is about innovative scheme research of Shimen citrus life cycle based on product service design thinking. My presentation will be given in 5 parts. The first part introduces agricultural development in Shimen. The second part introduces product service design thinking. The third part shows case study of Shimen citrus. The first part shows innovative design of Shimen citrus product service system, and the fifth part shows the feedback. Part 1. Agricultural development in Shimen. Shimen is famous for its citrus, and citrus is the main source of income for residents of Shimen. However, because of the unattainable products, the income of residents in Shimen County is not high, and income of some farmers is even difficult to maintain the simple processing of citrus. Part 2. Product Service Design Thinking. Sustainable product service design considers the sustainability of the industry's development from 3 dimensions of economy, society, and environment. Product service design includes product design and service design. The article will use blueprint to analyze the life cycle of Shimen citrus and use service design tools such as SWOT and cluster to find solutions to the system. Part 3. Case study of Shimen citrus. 3.1. Product lifecycle thinking. The article uses blueprint to analyze each step of Shimen citrus lifecycle from multi-dimensions. Production. Problems as follows. Overproduction of citrus. Waste of water. Water, soil, and crop pollution caused by insecticides. High labor cost. Single species. Soil erosion, high production cost, lack of resources in the theme of farming period. Package. The plastic bags used in waxing and packaging process of orange products may bring pollution, but for the preservation of fresh fruit, bagging is an essential operation. After bagging, the carbon dioxide generated by breath increases, and oxygen is reduced. So the aerobic respiration is gradually suppressed. Storage. The biggest loss in this part is the waste caused by the unsold fresh fruit and the damage caused by improper storage condition. Transportation. The transportation cost of cold chain during transportation, as well as the high transportation cost including travel expenses, toll fees, and truck rental fees, keep transportation costs at a high degree. Wholesale. In the traditional sales process, fresh fruit is delivered to the fruit wholesale markets in other places. Local fruit wholesalers, retailers, and a small number of customers will go to the fruit wholesale market to buy fresh fruit. The losses are mainly caused by the damage caused by the terrible preservation and the waste caused by the unsold fresh fruit. The losses are mainly caused by the damage caused by the terrible preservation and waste caused by the unsold fresh fruit. Retail. Small-scale fruit shops sell fresh fruit to the fruit wholesale market and then sell it to customers or other retailers. Customers often need to identify whether the Shimen citrus sold in the fruit shop is really produced in Shimen or whether it is of high quality. Some fruit shops may repack the fresh fruit to have a better appearance and bring waste and pollution, but the main problem is the waste of unsold fresh fruit. 3.2. Service Design Thinking. 3.2.1. Analysis on SWOT. Strengths are sweet taste and low retail price. Weaknesses are limited sales channels. Simple planting structure, lack of money for advanced processing equipment, high transportation cost, lack of product diversity, lack of brand, outdated processing technology, and limited market information. Opportunity is subsidiary products. Threats are as follows. First, many other inferior fruits on the market are sold as Shimen citrus, which damages the reputation of Shimen citrus. Second, the same harvest season of the same species leads to the fierce competition between farmers. Third, labor and transportation costs are rising. Fourth, inflation will influence the fruit market. Fifth, export policies limit exports. 3.2.2 Analysis based on cluster. Production. First, plant different types of oranges to reduce the competition between farmers. Second, produce different types of subsidiary agricultural products to reduce overproduction and create more employment opportunities. Third, make rotten fruit into fertilizer to reduce waste. Fourth, use shared machines and unified production standards to improve production efficiency. Fifth, promote the development of tourism in Shimen through agricultural tourism, which drives the local diversified production and enhances the interaction between producers and consumers. Package. First, found the brand of Shimen citrus and enhance the competitiveness in the domestic and foreign markets. Second, apply QR code to the orange product as an electronic ID card. Customers can query information of the orange product, and it can carry additional information, bringing added value to the orange products. Third, use recyclable package. Use environmental friendly materials or the package that can be formed into other tools to bring secondary use value. Fourth, sell mixed fruit boxes to guide customers to buy a variety of orange products, and consumers' feedback on different orange products can guide farmers to adjust the production scale of Shimen citrus. Storage and transportation. First, use a shared warehouse to reduce storage cost. Second, shared traffic, like Uber, can reduce transportation costs. Third, unified distribution, unified management, and unified transportation. Platform. Establish an online mall to retail the Shimen orange products, to reduce the middleman in the retail process. And the online mall is also an information platform for feedback. Part 4. Innovative design of Shimen citrus product service system. The new system takes system map from PSDT as the logical base. It improves the value chain of Shimen citrus by adding sales channels and increasing the diversity of orange products. 4.1. Increase sales channels. Usually, wholesalers from other places seek local agent to purchase fresh fruit and then transport to designated markets. The new system has a non-governmental organization established by companies. NGO assists farmers in large-scale production. The new system combines online and offline sales to expand sales channels. In online sales pattern, the company builds and manages the online mall of Shimen citrus. The sales information is displayed on the official website. Consumers can purchase products on the official website and give the feedback on it. NGO purchases orange products from farmers for sale, and it reduces middlemen, so farmers have gained more profit. There are two methods to sell offline in the new system. First, wholesalers from other places go to Shimen to buy orange products, and then transport them to other cities for retail. Second, in the form of farmhouse party, the system promotes the experience system in orchard. Tourists nearby could enter the orchard to pick fresh fruit and enter the workshop for DIY. Unsold oranges will be processed by NGO to produce fertilizers. 4.2. Promote product diversity. Increasing the diversity of product is mainly considered from the three aspects of planting, processing, and waste disposal. Based on the feedback from online platform and offline wholesalers, NGO demands different types of orange products and made acquisitions to get orange farmers to grow different types of fresh fruit and produce diversified subsidiary agricultural products. The planting and processing zones are planned through agricultural tourism maps designed by NGO. Different types of fruit are planted in different orchards in Shimen agricultural zone. Visitors can pick the fruits they want in designated areas according to the guidelines of the map. The agricultural tourism area also contains jam workshops, dried fruit workshops, and canned product workshops. Visitors can purchase ready-made subsidiary products in the workshop, or they can make their own fresh food into subsidiary agricultural products. In agricultural tourism area, there are waxing area, bagging areas, storage areas, fertilizer production areas. Visitors can check the production process. 4.3 New pattern of Shimen Citrus product service system. At the beginning, the government and investors build the brand of Shimen. NGO assist the government in the development and management of Shimen agriculture and tourism. NGO provides farmers with scientific knowledge of agriculture and lease production machines and shared warehouses. It organizes farmers' cooperation and unifies production. The unsold fresh fruit will be processed into fertilizer by NGO. NGO manages online malls. It purchases agricultural products from farmers' households and adjusts production according to the feedback. NGO also contact other wholesalers to develop offline wholesale retail channels, and farmers provide high-quality products for NGO to manage and sell. With the help of the government, NGO plans the planting area in Shimen, and the whole county will become an agricultural tourism area. Farmers grow and process products according to the planning of tourist maps. Shimen can also hold orange exhibitions and other activities in the harvest season to attract tourists to pick fresh fruit, reduce the picking pressure of orange farmers, and speed up the sales of orange products. Part 5 Feedback. The article evaluates three dimensions of society, economy, and environment in the new system. In the social dimension, the new system brings advanced technology and equipment for local agriculture. The living standards can be improved. Meanwhile, the new system has strengthened the link between orange farmers and consumers. In the economic dimension, the value of local products is enhanced by the influence of the brand, and the income of the orange farmers has increased. In the environmental dimension, the new system reduces the waste and pollution of unsold fruits, and the utilization of local resources has increased. But the system still has some problems that need trade-off. On the one hand, increasing sales channels and the type of products needs more manpower and capital investment, and the management model is complex, so operability needs to be tested. On the other hand, the system relies on the support of NGO, but in the long-term development, NGO relations are not stable, so the system needs to be constantly adjusted according to the actual situation. The research in the paper was completed with the support of the Learning Network on Sustainability and the support of Erasmus program of the European Union. The author is limited to relevant expertise as an undergraduate member in Lens Lab Wood and has only conducted basic research on the project. The project will continue to improve during the professional learning process. Thank you for watching.